Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of kinetic energy. Ever wondered what makes a car zoom down the highway, reaching incredible speeds as it effortlessly glides along the asphalt? Or what gives a roller coaster that exhilarating rush, making your heart race as it twists and turns through its track? It's all thanks to kinetic energy. But what exactly is kinetic energy and how does it work? Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses due to its motion. Whenever something is moving, it has kinetic energy. The faster something moves, the more kinetic energy it has. For instance, a speeding train, a sprinting cheetah, or a speeding boat all have high kinetic energy because of their rapid movement. Even everyday activities like a child swinging on a swing, leaves rustling in the wind, or a river flowing downstream involve kinetic energy. Imagine rolling a ball on the ground. The energy it has while moving is kinetic energy. The faster you roll it, the more kinetic energy it has. So next time you see something in motion, remember it's all about kinetic energy making things move. The amount of kinetic energy an object has depends on two things: its mass and its velocity. Kinetic energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its motion. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Similarly, the heavier the object, the greater its kinetic energy. This relationship is crucial in understanding how energy is transferred and used in various systems. For instance, a speeding car has more kinetic energy than a slow-moving bicycle. This is expressed in the formula Ke equals 1/2 mv squared. Here, Ke stands for kinetic energy, m represents mass, and v stands for velocity. The formula shows that kinetic energy increases with the square of the velocity, meaning that even a small increase in speed can lead to a significant increase in kinetic energy. M stands for mass and v for velocity. Understanding this formula helps in various fields, from engineering to sports science, as it explains how objects in motion behave and interact with their environment. But why is kinetic energy so important? Well, it's involved in almost every aspect of our daily lives. From the sports we play like soccer, basketball, and marathon running, to the cars we drive every day on busy highways, to the planes we fly in that take us across the globe, and even the roller coasters we ride for fun at amusement parks. All these activities rely on kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. When athletes sprint, their muscles convert chemical energy into kinetic energy, propelling them forward. Cars and airplanes use fuel to generate kinetic energy, allowing them to move. Roller coasters harness gravitational potential energy, converting it into kinetic energy as they speed down tracks. Understanding kinetic energy helps us appreciate the mechanics behind these activities and the science that makes them possible. Understanding kinetic energy helps us design safer cars, create more efficient machines, and even save lives. By understanding the principles of kinetic energy, we can innovate and improve technology, making our world a better and safer place. So next time you're out and about, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of kinetic energy in action. It's all around us, making life dynamic and exciting. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing science content. And remember, keep moving and keep learning. See you next time.